Today we are going to just do a little get ready with me, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash my face with this foaming face wash. It's a tea tree and witch hazel. I'm going to use a cotton to wash my face. I just used a few squirts, and I love using this foam because it's supposed to be good with acne. Oh yeah. And then wash my face off with some nice warm water. That's it. After that, I leave my face kind of semi-damp. I like to cleanse my face with my estrogen and my toner. So I'm going to use this La Roche-Posay Effaclar. So this is me prepping my skin before I put on makeup. I recently started using this over probably 6 months now. And so far so good. I really like it. I need to get rid of that shit. So this is the rose water from Boots brand, and I really love it. It's 100% organic rose water. You can use like a cotton to wipe this off, but sometimes I just literally pat it into my skin. I feel like it hydrates my skin, and I kind of like that. I don't like to do my makeup, and my lip balm is not like on my lips. Most of my stuff are from the pharmacy. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel, water gel, and it looks something like that. I really like this on my skin. So I'm gonna leave this on my skin for about probably 3 minutes. 3 minutes. By the way, all my shit right now is in Ziploc bags. Like, everything looks really messy. I can show you, I'm not even lying. I am not joking. Like, everything is just in a good Tesco Ziploc bag. The Tesco Ziploc bag is actually really good. It's very sturdy and very big. It's like an extra large. I love it. I'm gonna prime my face with this Smashbox primer. It takes away all the shine and everything. After I do that, I'll do my brows. I just use my Pro Concealer in the shade Toast to kind of carve out something so I can actually see that I have sunbrow, which is a lie, but it's okay. The next thing I'm going to do is use this primer. This primer is from Fenty Beauty, and it's the Pore Filter Mattifying Primer. I recently only started using this. I bought this in May. I think I like using after I use the Smashbox primer, then I like to use this on top. I'm going to use the Benefit Pore Professional. So I just put it on where I do have lots of pores showing. I'm just gonna use this tester that I brought with me, and the Max Stroke Cream. I think it's quite nice. I like the glow it gives. I'm just gonna pop it on my cheek. I will pop this under my eye because I feel like it gets rid of the redness, and I use it in the color Cocoa. That will just help me to cancel all the dark circles just a little bit. So I'm basically gonna pop it on all the dark spots that I see. I look funny, but it will be nice when I'm finished. I'm going to use this MAC NW45 Studio Finish Concealer over my eyes. I brought this palette with me, the Patricia Bright palette, Rich in Life. I literally use this every day. This plum pencil that I normally use to line my lips, I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. I use the Lancome foundation, the Tint Idol. So after that, I will probably let that kind of get stuck into my skin. I'm going to use this Nash Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Dark 1 Cafe. Okay, so my camera just died. I don't think I'm gonna have the amount of space to do this, so I think I'm just gonna stop chatting right now. Hoola bronzer, it's in the shade Toasted. Yeah, it warms up my face just a tad bit. For blush, I'm gonna use Ambering Rose. I'm gonna put some of this Laura Mercier on my face, Seduction. And now I'm going to use the MAC Mineralize powder just to kind of give my face kind of a glow. And that's that. And then I'll spray this all over my face from a distance. I'm crazy, but I do reach for it. I'm gonna use this oil in my I'm not gonna pin it up because it's raining outside anyway, so it's gonna probably get wet. So I'm just gonna hold it here for a second and then let it go. I'm finished. Nothing too fancy. I'm going out with my son today, so it's fine. I'm gonna get the rest of my things, like my jacket, my earrings, and my handbag.